Hi, in this tutorial we'll be comparing thermal roof with reinforced roof option. Same Formance panels used in two different ways. Let's look at this simple project, using Formance panels for walls and the roof. So the shorter direction is actually 4.8 meters, and that's where we decide to span the roof panels, trying to determine what thickness we actually need. So the largest panels we do is 6.1 meter long, and we can use the extent of the panel to form the overhang. Looking at the tables for unreinforced roof, using only panels to span the distance, 4.8 meter, we can select 265 mm thick panel for the roof. Now let's say that we decide for a different project with a larger span, 7.2 meters, trying to determine what roof panels we need here. So the 6.1 meter panel is not going to be enough for this span, so we have to build up the distance. We decide for reinforced roof option, actually having timber splines at 1200 centers, so the timber LVLs are actually going to be holding up the roof, and we have to build up the required distance with the panels, using 6.1 meter panel, but the offcuts at the end are actually adding up to a full length of 6.1 meter panel. So looking at the whole roof structure, we optimize it to almost 100%, using all the offcuts around the structure. Now looking at the tables for reinforced roof, using high span LVLs, at 7.2 meters, we can select a 315 mm thick roof panel, using two 290 by 45 LVLs of 1200 centers. Now let's just review what we talked about. We were comparing reinforced and thermal roof option. With thermal roof, unreinforced one, panels actually have to be continuous between support to support because they're actually holding up the structure. But we can use the extent of the panel to form overhangs. If the required span is too much for the selected panel thickness, we can either select a thicker panel or go towards the reinforced roof option. Now we have to know that the largest panel is 6.1 meter long, and we'll have to have timber splines continuous between the supports. We can use panel to build up the required span, and utilizing these offcuts can still allow for very efficient panelization. Thank you for watching.